Maintenance is essential for robots. However, we all want to use robots with lower costs and peace of mind. To grant such a wish, we, Kawasaki, propose a maintenance CBM based on the condition of the robot. We would like to explain why condition-based maintenance is ideal in comparison with time-based maintenance, TBM. In the case of TBM, for robots with low operating rates, maintenance was performed excessively and earlier than the optimal timing. On the other hand, for robots with a high operating rate, the timing was later than the optimum timing and had a higher risk of sudden failure. Maintenance at the optimum timing is difficult with TBM. Then we came up with maintenance based on CBM. As a result, it has become possible to analyze the operation data of the robot and perform maintenance at the optimal timing. Now, we would like to introduce K-Commit, which can realize such CBM. To start, we will introduce Trend Manager. Trend Manager is a maintenance alarm function that informs you of the optimal maintenance time, including a function that constantly acquires and analyzes the robot information and predicts sudden failures. In addition to maintenance information, robot operation data can be displayed, which is also convenient for production activities. In addition, the status of the robot can be managed on a single screen. And the data analyzed by Trend Manager can also be provided as a report. Trend Manager is a tool that can be used by customers who are starting to use robots for the first time, customers who have had multiple robots already, and also customers anywhere in the world. We hope you will take advantage of it. Next, we would like to introduce our Trend Management Quantitative Inspection. If the inspection is not performed properly, the risk of sudden failure of the robot increases, and if the customer's production line was disturbed due to such issues, it would cause great damage. In normal inspections, we mainly performed inspections that relied on human senses, such as the noise and the appearance of the robots. Also, if you were to use parts not recommended by Kawasaki or do improper work, the risk of sudden failure of the robot increases, and the lifespan of the robot itself may be shortened. We are introducing Trend Management Quantitative Inspection in order to eliminate those risks. Trend Management Quantitative Inspection quantifies the state of the robot using Kawasaki's original measuring equipment. This will help provide more accurate results. In addition, we will continue to provide support, being considerate to the customers by explaining the maintenance of the robot even after the inspection. We, Kawasaki, prepare plans that can be utilized with peace of mind. First of them is to have spare parts. In the event of a sudden failure, it is possible to have the robot repaired immediately if there are the appropriate spare parts. On the other hand, it takes time from the arrangement of the parts to the arrival, and there is a risk that the robot has to stop for a long time if there is no spare parts. Kawasaki will propose spare parts based on your robot. We hope you will also consider owning spare parts. The second is the maintenance of the robots. Kawasaki also performs optimal maintenance based on the condition of the robot. We offer various plans, such as replacement of the robot arms and controller parts, and repairs for each part. Please feel free to contact us about the maintenance of the robots. We, Kawasaki, provide peace of mind to our valued customers through various maintenance plans, such as K-Commit Kawasaki Robot Safety Life Cycle Support. We, Kawasaki, will take care of the robot maintenance so that our valued customers can concentrate on their daily production activities.